So now I'm going to be working on the matching buttonhole to go with the corsage that I made in my last video. So I'm going to be working with the same floral ingredients. I've got a few of my Ruska sleeves, just the small tops of them. I've got a few small pieces of the baby's breath to pop in there. And I've got a couple of the chrysanthemums. So one I did wire last time, so I'll be using that. And then I've got two other ones as well. So, and I've also got a fern. And my fern did break off of my corsage last time. So we'll try again to get that one in there. All right, so I'm going to start with a couple of these leaves and wire them up. So I've got my wire again, just going through the back. Grabbing the front and pulling in and down. And I'm going to try and twist that to lock it in place. Right, now I'll cut off these wires. Use my wire cutters. Oh, sorry. What I've got today is the same materials as last time. So I've got my wire, I've got a couple of scissors, I've got my pins, and I won't need any ribbon this time. So just snipping this wire back. Alright, and my tape. Got one leaf. Now I might try just do the one leaf and one fern since I'm doing quite a small buttonhole. Now, last time I did lose the top of this, so I'm just going to keep a bit more of the stem on today and really place that in amongst the leaf to try and shelter it a little bit because it's got a really, really thin stem. Got a bit of tape, go in and secure that one in place. Okay. Now I'm going to go in with one of my flowers. I will prep that up ready to go. Just need to cut another one of my wires. Now when when I did my corsage, I went through the top of the chrysanthemum, but it's quite delicate in there, so I'm actually going to try and go through the side this time and see if that holds it a bit better. So I'm just going through the base of the head of the flower, and I'm just delicately pulling it down. And I think that has preserved the middle quite a bit better. We'll see how the leaves go as I continue to construct this. So I'm just going to chop off a bit of that stem, just at an angle, and a bit of this wire as well, so we don't have as much that we are working with. Just ignore that stem. Okay, I'm going to carefully twist that wire around. And then I will take that in place. Okay. And that's held much better. So that technique is a lot better for this type of flower. So I'm going to go in, I'm just going to do a singular flower. I'm able to position that with the wire. Just moving that around where I want it. Cool. So I'll pop that in, and I'm going to secure my baby's breath at the same time, given that's a small, delicate flower. Alright, now I'll go in and tape. This part is quite tricky. Just adjusting the positioning of everything. Let's start with a smaller piece, might be easier to work with, and then I could do a second. I am actually going to do the baby breath first because I'm having a little bit of trouble. So I'm going to secure these two pieces on the table. Some tape. And I'm just going to adjust them while the tape is still loose. Okay. Very fiddly work with nails. Okay. So the baby birth is in place. Now go in with this chrysanthemum, and that will just tuck in as well. And the last of my tape. Very delicate. Again, I knocked it and lost a few of the leaves of the chrysanthemum. I go in and tape all the way down now. Large piece of tape, because I'm going to work all the way down. Alright, now starting at the top, just really delicately pulling and twisting. Cut off the end of that stem, and I'll just give all of this a cut on an angle. There we go. Alright, lastly I'll pop a few pins in. So I'll just pop a pin in the back. Just need to reposition that. Alright, in the back, and this is my buttonhole to go with my corsage.